how is your day going? Man, I suck at guitar. No, I don't. So I know I'm not very popular right now. Where am I? Am I? I'm not sure. Hey, am I? No, you're not. Maybe like 1 subscriber. You suck. Hey, thanks. So I'm just making this video to let you guys know that I'm just gonna be making a couple of videos like with me and my friends. We're just gonna make a couple of stupid movies because we're idiots, you know. But we're idiots that can make movies. That's important. Anyways, hopefully they're gonna start maybe this weekend coming up. You guys can start checking them out. Yeah, I'm gonna start posting them, so hopefully they'll come out pretty soon. I'm suggesting that everyone's gonna like them, of course, because soon enough we're gonna turn out like this. You know, famous. Aren't we all? In our own way. But of course, in our way, everybody knows us. That's the famous I'm talking about. But no, not that famous. You know, famous like, hey, you're that one guy, huh? That's what we're talking about. Not this famous, though. Oh my god, can I have your autograph? I'm not that famous. I don't think that's gonna be happening. We just wanna entertain people, you know? We're fun guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get to that. And of course, yes, they will be funny. That's funny. Action. Oh, nice! They finally caught him. Sad. Oh no. And suspenseful. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Is he gonna kill him? Is he gonna kill him? So yeah, we're just gonna get on that, and hopefully you guys will have a great time watching them. Share them. So yeah, see you guys next time.